Hello, my YouTube family. How are you? Hope you are all fine. Welcome to HUSNA'S UK lifestyle. Today, I will share cleaning my fridge with you. And it's really important when someone, kid, they just throw a curry in your fridge. What happened with me? My daughter just throw some uh, food curry. You know the curry, yeah. She threw into the fridge and it looks so dirty. I decided to clean that. And first thing what I did, I just took everything out step by step. But I didn't open everything on one time. I just take everything out from the door first, like these little drawers. I usually put sauce, eggs, and medicine in there. And then I sprayed with the Dettol, and I had some clean clothes to wipe it out. So I clean nicely with this because this is internal cleaning of the fridge. And then we all use this fridge, but after I think every month you have to clean your fridge as well, because of bacteria is inside the fridge is very bad for your health. If you are new on my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and always press the bell icon so you can get my new videos whenever I upload. Let's see now. This looks very nice and clean. The rest of these drawers, these things, I took it out from the fridge door. I clean with the fresh water, lukewarm water and dish soap, which is fairy. So I clean with the fairy and fresh water, and then I wipe it out. I just dry it out with the kitchen towel. Let me know, guys, where are you watching my video from? Which country or city you like and share and subscribe my video from? Let me know in the comment below, so I will know where are you watching, where the people coming from my video, and which country and which city are you coming and watching me and you like my videos. Whoever is already with me, thanks for liking and keep coming on my channel. I clean them, I dry them with the towel and I put them back. As you can see, they looks very tidy and nice and clean. I just start putting the stuff on it in the door, and when I finish my door, then I start the other area of the shelving inside the fridge. I took them one by one out and clean them and then put it back again. Them two drawers I bought it from, I think, from B&M, and I use this for little things like yogurt, cheese and stuff. So I put usually kids things in there, or like small things, so they're not running around in the fridge everywhere. I took everything out, those shells and everything, and I clean same as the door with the spray. And these shelves I wash with the water and dry them with the towel, and then I put them back. It takes like 2 to 3 hours to do that, and how easy is shown in the video. It looks really easy to do it, but it is time taking. But once you do, it stay clean like for 1 month. So after 1 month you need to clean back again. Hope you like my video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know where are you watching from, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.